How to install iOS 26 Developer Beta on iPhone for free. So if you want to install iOS 26 Developer Beta on iPhone for free, then you need to open up your Safari at first and then go with developer.apple.com. Once you're here, go with the upper left which has that horizontal lines and then go with account. Once you're on your account, you need to sign into your Apple developer. So enter your email or your phone number. After that, scroll down. And if you would like to receive the communications, you can go with yes. Or if you don't want to receive any updates from the Apple developers, you can go with no. After that, tap on agree and then continue through this agreement. Now, once you go ahead and log into your account, you need to just go back and then open up your settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down again, go with general, go with software update. Under software update, you will have beta updates. You need to tap on it and then you will have iOS 26 developer beta. So you can select that. Once you've selected, now if you go back, then you will have an update. Just wait for a few seconds or just reload the page and it will check for any updates and you will have an update. You can just simply go and update your software. As you can see that here you will have that update. So tap on update now. And in this way, you'll be able to install iOS 26 developer beta on your iPhone for free. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.